Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Vue CLI on your system. Vue CLI is the official command line interface for Vue.js. It provides a very quick way to scaffold and set up new Vue project with build tools, hot reloading, linting, and testing already configured for you. Before we get started, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your system. You can download and install them from nodejs.org website, or you can follow my tutorials that I have recorded already on my YouTube channel. So first of all, I will show you my current Node.js version that I am using. So I'm using version 18.16.0 and npm is 9.5.1. So once you have Node.js and npm installed, you can go ahead and install the Vue CLI globally using this command that I'm going to type: npm install -g for global Vue/CLI. Press enter. Alright, this has installed the latest version of Vue CLI. You can verify it is installed correctly by running this command: vue-version. Press enter. And you can see now it is installed and the version is 5.0.8. With the Vue CLI installed globally, you can now very quickly create a new Vue project. Navigate into the directory where you want to create the project and run this command: Vue create my project. Press enter. Alright. This will prompt you to pick a preset. You can just select the default preset. After a short while, it will finish scaffolding the project. You can now cd into the project directory. Now you can open it in your editor as well if you want to. So this is how it will look like after creating a project. And now run the dev server to see the new Vue app running. For that, run this command: npm run serve. Press enter. Alright, the Vue CLI has taken care of configuring Webpack, Babel, ESLint, and other build tools for us. It also sets up hot reloading out of the box. So let's open this website in our browser. So these are the links that you can open. This is a local link. So if you open it, you can access it locally, and there's also a network link. If you open it, you can access this link anywhere in any computer in your local network. So let's open this one. So you can see that Vue has been installed and we just created a new project by using Vue CLI, and it is now running in your browser. So that's a quick overview of how to get started using the awesome Vue CLI tool to initialize and scaffold a new Vue.js project. The CLI makes it super fast to start building Vue apps. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.